Alright, in today's video we're going to talk about how to open the gas cap to refill your Mazda CX-5. Mine here is a 2016, but I believe it's going to be the same for all of the other models here. Might seem like second nature, but my dad borrowed my car to pick me up from the airport the other day and couldn't find out how to do it. So, unlucky me, I didn't get gas. Had to fill up the tank myself. So let's talk about it. Now you might think that what you're going to want to do is just walk right up to the gas cap and push it and then it'll pop right out and open. However, it is locked. So what we're going to want to do is come into the driver's side here. When we're sitting in the driver's seat, we're going to look to the floor. A little dirty. On the floor here, there's a small little lever. What we're going to want to do, give that a pull. We'll hear it pop. Come back over here to our gas cap. We can fill up our car. Alright, that's all. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, share with your mom.